Do you like to get your photos pin sharp back to front? Well, today we're going to try
a bit of focus stacking. So we get these bluebells, which smell lovely by the way. They do, they're gorgeous. But yeah, get these bluebells in the front, perfectly in focus, and the tree in the back, all the way up, perfectly in focus. We're going to use focus stacking, but that's what we're going to do today. Let's give it a go. So this wood really does smell amazing.
Okay, first off, we're going to need a tripod. Mount your camera on a tripod and take some photos. While keeping the camera perfectly still, what you have to do is focus at the front of the picture, take a photo, the middle of the picture and the back of the picture, and take photos in the various stages in between. You'll notice that I have the camera on a 2-second self timer, so therefore when I press the button all the vibrations have disappeared before the photo is taken. It just helps keep the photo you take absolutely sharp. Now I've imported the photos into the computer. I know that the focus stack sequence is between my two hand pictures, so now all I've got to do is select the photos in between the two hand pictures. As you can see, all the photos are taken with the fastest possible shutter speed, an aperture of f3.5, so nothing blurs the photo. So now we go into Photoshop, go to File, Scripts, and load files into Stack. And now it's just a case of finding where your files are, loading them into Photoshop. So it's a click and a shift and select the files you need. And the last thing to do is tick the box to automatically align the images. And this will take some time depending on the speed of your computer. You're with me so far? We're nearly there. After you've done this a few times, it becomes a really quick process. With the Shift key again, now all we do is highlight the images on the right, then go to Edit and Auto Blend Layers. Now make sure the boxes for Stack Images, Seamless Tones and Colours, and Content Aware Fill are ticked, then press OK. And a bit of time will pass, but hey look, it's done! You can see by the black and white images next to the photos which parts the program has chosen and which parts it's chosen to leave behind to get you your perfect in-focus image. The eagle-eyed amongst you may notice the slight white line at the top of the image. All we've got to do is click on the crop tool, bring that line down a bit, and then click on the tick to apply it. And then just save the image in your preferred file format. Here I'm using a PNG. And in this box, I'm just choosing the best possible image quality. And now in Lightroom, I'm just going to use a couple of tricks to sharpen the image up even more. Under the sharpening section, holding the Alt key while you're moving the masking shows a black and white image. The white is what will be sharp and the black will remain the same. That way you can get your images really sharp, but just in certain areas. As you can see, I'm just adding a touch of extra sharpness on those edges. And there you go, that's the finished image. It's not technically great, after all you can see the tripod shadow, but hopefully it will help you understand how to do focus stacking. If you like this video, hit the subscribe button. Go on, dare ya, see what happens.